In today's video, I'll show you how to edit an invoice template in Jobber so your invoices look professional and perfectly match your brand. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, open Jobber in your browser and log in or sign up if you're new. Once inside, click the gear icon at the top right to access settings. From there, go to Business Profile and scroll down to Client Documentation Settings. Next, click Edit Settings and select the Invoices tab. Here, you can customize your template by adjusting the header for your branding, refining the content to clearly list charges, updating the footer, and modifying your terms and conditions. Use the preview option to see exactly how your invoice will appear to clients. Once everything looks polished, click Save. And that's it. Your customized invoice template is now ready to send, helping your business maintain a professional and consistent look. Keep your invoices clean, clear, and branded with Jobber.